If you catch colds too often, feel constantly tired, and cannot recover fully after workouts, the problem is not just your immune system, it is one of the first signs of low testosterone. The same hormone that builds your muscles is also the one that protects you from viruses. In this video, you will learn why low testosterone weakens your immune defense, how pumpkin seeds and selenium strengthen your immunity, why morning exercise resets your hormonal rhythm, and how late-night overeating destroys all your progress. Symptom of the day: frequent colds and immune deficiency, scientific evidence. Study 1, Testosterone and Immune Function in Men, published in Endocrine Reviews in the year 2019. A meta-analysis of 50 studies found that men with low testosterone were 3 times more likely to develop viral and bacterial infections. Study 2, Androgen Deficiency and Immune Response, Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, year 2020. 120 men with androgen deficiency showed weaker immune responses and slower recovery from illness. After hormone correction, immune cell counts returned to normal. Mechanism: testosterone regulates T-cell maturation in the thymus and controls inflammatory cytokines. When testosterone falls, the immune system becomes sluggish. If you are always sick, do not just check your vitamins, check your hormones. Product of the day: pumpkin seeds. Scientific evidence. Study 1. Zinc and testosterone from pumpkin seeds. Nutrients, year 2019. 60 men with low testosterone ate pumpkin seeds daily for 12 weeks. Result: higher testosterone and improved immune response. Study 2. Antioxidant potential of pumpkin seeds in men, Journal of Functional Foods, year 2020. Participants who added pumpkin seeds to their diet showed fewer inflammatory markers and better stress resistance. Mechanism: pumpkin seeds provide zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats, fuel for hormonal glands and activators of immune cells. Each handful of seeds is a small investment in your hormones and immunity. Activity of the day: morning workout, 5 exercises. Scientific evidence. Study 1. Morning exercise and hormonal rhythms. Hormone research in sports, year 2019. 50 men practiced short morning workouts for 8 weeks. Testosterone increased by about 20%, sleep and mood improved. Study 2. Short exercise and immune cell activation. Frontiers in Immunology, year 2022. Even 5 short exercises, each lasting about 3 minutes, increased T-cell activity and improved immune response. Mechanism: morning workouts restore circadian rhythm and trigger the natural testosterone surge that should happen early in the day. 5 moves every morning are 5 signals to your hormones. Wake up and work. Supplement of the day: selenium scientific evidence. Study 1. Selenium and male hormones. Biological trace element research, year 2018. 100 men took selenium for 6 weeks, testosterone rose by about 15%, and sperm motility improved. Study 2. Selenium supplementation and immunity. Nutrition Research Reviews, year 2020. A meta-analysis showed selenium boosts antioxidant enzymes and reduces inflammation in men with low testosterone. Mechanism: selenium supports thyroid and testicular enzymes, protects cells from oxidative stress, and enhances hormonal response. Without selenium, your hormonal system runs on exhaustion. Trap of the day: late night overeating, scientific evidence. Study 1. Late night meals and hormonal suppression. Clinical Endocrinology, year 2018. Late meals reduce the nighttime testosterone peak by about 1/4. Study 2. Circadian disruption and male hormones. Sleep Medicine Reviews, year 2022. Frequent nighttime eating disrupted melatonin and cortisol rhythms, blocking testosterone synthesis. Mechanism: late eating overloads the liver and endocrine system, disrupts sleep, and suppresses morning testosterone production. If you want to wake up strong, stop feeding your body when it is supposed to rest. Practical protocol: 8 weeks, eat pumpkin seeds daily. Take selenium once a day with meals. Do 5 morning exercises to activate circulation. Avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Sleep at least 7 hours per night. When your lifestyle rhythm matches your hormonal rhythm, illness fades. Frequent colds are not just a weak immune system, they are signs of hormonal fatigue. Give your body back the energy it has lost. Feed your hormones, move in the morning, rest at night, and stop overeating. Immunity and testosterone are 2 sides of the same system. You are not weak, you are depleted, and that can be repaired.